Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, I welcome you all to our top core companies campus interview question with explanation. Friends, this is question number 29 and in this video I am going to discuss two important parameters of the fuel, that is the octane number and cetane number. Friends, for those of the new viewers who have not watched my previous 28 question on mechanical engineering interview, I would request you to please watch all the previous 21 question before watching this. Friends, it will build you a lot of confidence and you will feel the difference before and after watching the video. Friends, in this video, as I told, I will be discussing two important parameters of the fuel, that is the octane number and cetane number. So friends, this video can be slight longer because I have included all the concept, and I can guarantee that if after watching this you will be having a lot more depth knowledge about the octane number and cetane number. So friends, please watch the video till end. So friends, before proceeding to the next slide, I will just like to give you a simple definition of the octane number and cetane number. Friends, octane number is the measure of the fuel ability to resist knocking during combustion. Simple definition, friends. Friends, what is knocking? Knocking is basically a abnormal combustion. For the regular petrol that you are using, the octane number can be 87, and for the premium petrol that you get, the octane number can be from 93 to 94. Friends, it is a numerical value. Octane number with 100 is considered as a good fuel and octane number with 0 is considered as the worst fuel. So the octane number is between 0 to 100. The more closer you get to 100, the better the fuel. Now friends, cetane number is an indicator of the combustion speed of diesel fuel. It is for diesel fuel. So friends, one thing I would like to tell you that cetane number is the important factor in determining the quality of diesel fuel. But friends, there are other factors also like sulfur content, density, lubricity of the fuel. These are the other factor also. But generally we take these two important terms, that is octane number for petrol and cetane number for diesel, as a parameter for judging the fuel. So friends, before explaining these octane number and cetane number, just I would like to give you few idea about the self ignition. Friends, self ignition is the temperature of the fuel above which it auto ignites itself. You know that in case of petrol engine there is a air fuel mixture and there is a spark plug to ignite, but before the ignition from the spark plug, if the fuel ignites itself, then that fuel is considered as a bad fuel. So self ignition is do not needed in petrol engine. Friends, please pay attention that self ignition is not desirable in case of petrol engine, because if self ignition will happen before the ignition of spark plug, then the combustion will start early and it will lead to knocking. But in case of diesel engine, you know that air is being brought into the combustion chamber and you need to inject a fuel. So friends, your self ignition will lead to combustion, so it is desirable in case of diesel engine. Friends, I hope you got idea about the self ignition temperature. Now let us see the other term before explaining the octane number and cetane number, that is the ignition delay. Friends, ignition delay is, this term is being used in diesel engine, and you know that auto ignition is needed in diesel engine. Now what is ignition delay? Friends, ignition delay is the time period when the actual fuel is being injected and the actual burning is started. This time period is known as your, friends, ignition delay. So in diesel engine we want to reduce this time period. Once again I am telling, ignition delay is the time when the actual fuel is injected and the actual burning starts. This time gap is known as your ignition delay, and we want to reduce this delay as much as possible. So ignition delay, when I tell ignition delay, friends, ignition delay is generally in thousands of seconds. It's very it's, you can say 1,000th of second, you can say this. It's a very less time. Ignition delay is very less time. So we want to have a short ignition delay in order to have a better combustion in diesel engine. Now with this knowledge, I am coming back to octane number. So friends, The fuel property that describes how well a fuel will or will not self-ignite is called octane number. And for better octane number, you do not want your fuel to self-ignite. This is a numerical scale generated by comparing the self-ignition characteristic of fuel to that of the standard fuel in a specific test engine at specific operating condition. Now friends, the two fuel that you use for comparing, one is your isooctane, which has the octane number of 100, and the other you use is the N-heptane, which has the octane number of 0. So friends, you want higher octane number, and as I told, higher octane number means that your fuel do not self-ignite. So this is friends the basic concept of octane number. Higher octane number is required because you do not want the fuel to self-ignite. This is the concept of octane number. Now coming back to cetane number, I told that in diesel engine you want self-ignition. So it is therefore necessary to have knowledge and control of ignition delay times in fuel. You want your ignition delay to be much less in order to have a better combustion, and the property that quantify this is called cetane number. Good cetane number, higher cetane number will make sure that your fuel will have a short ignition delay, and a lower cetane number means that the fuel will have higher ignition delay. Friends, this is a simple concept, and generally diesel engine operates with a cetane number of 48 to 50. And once again I am telling, in petrol engine, when we talk about the octane number, your self ignition should not happen, and if fuel is octane number is high, self ignition will not happen. And in case of diesel engine, if your cetane number is large, ignition delay will be less and your combustion will be good. Friends, this is the simple concept about the octane number and cetane number. Friends, and I hope I am able to make clear this. This is not a bookish knowledge, friends. This is a simple concept that I have developed. And friends, I thank you all for watching, and for more such videos you can subscribe to my channel. You hit the bell icon and please share this with your friends. It will motivate me to make more such videos and help all my juniors for their interview. Friends, I thank you all for watching. Share knowledge, share success.